Hey guys, and welcome to my unboxing of the GSkill Trident Z RGB RAM. So this is a DDR4 16 gig kit from GSkill. This is for the new Z370 motherboards from Intel. It has the Aura sync from Asus. You can sync the RGB illumination with your motherboard and other components. So as I've said, this is a 16 gig kit from GSkill. It's DDR4 3466 at CAS latency 16 at 1.35 volts. And yeah, let's do an unboxing of them. Okay. So this is actually for a build I'm doing for a friend of mine. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, so that's it. So here we are. Here we have the sticks of RAM. Okay, we have a GSkill case sticker. Don't use this. Be professional, guys. Okay. So the heatsink, it has a gunmetal gray color on it. On one side, it's black on the other side, and here on the top, where this plastic white thing is, here are the RGB LEDs. We have the other one. Yeah. So this is it. This is my unboxing of the GSkill Trident Z RGB DDR4 RAM.